In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV Excel file into HubSpot. Whether you're transitioning to HubSpot for the first time or simply updating your contact list, importing your data correctly is an important step to ensure everything is organized and ready to use. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to bring your contacts into HubSpot seamlessly so you can focus on managing your relationships and growing your business. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, head over to the HubSpot website and log into the account you'd like to use for importing your contacts. Make sure you're accessing the correct account, as the imported data will be stored and used here. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. Hover over the sidebar and you'll see more options appear. From here, click on the CRM option. This section is essentially the heart of HubSpot's functionality. It's where you can manage contacts, deals, and all the key data that helps keep your business running smoothly. Once you're in the CRM section, locate and click on the Contacts option. This is where all your existing contact information is stored, and it's also the place where your new data will be added after we complete the import process. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll find the Import button. Go ahead and click on it. This is the starting point for bringing new data into HubSpot. Once you click, you'll be presented with some options. Choose the one labeled Set It Up Myself. By selecting this option, you'll have full control over the import settings and can move through the process step by step, ensuring every detail is just right. Next, select the Import from Files option. This tells HubSpot that you'll be uploading your data from a file on your device. At this point, you'll need to locate the CSV file you want to import. A CSV file, or comma-separated values file, is a widely used format for organizing data in a table-like structure, and it's fully compatible with HubSpot. Choose your file and upload it. Now, keep in mind, the first row of your file should include headers that clearly identify the data types, such as name, email, or phone number. This helps HubSpot understand how to organize the information during the import. Once your file is uploaded, you'll need to review and map the columns in your CSV file to the correct fields in HubSpot. For example, ensure that email addresses from your file are matched with the email field in HubSpot, names are matched with the name field, and so on. This step is critical to ensure your data ends up in the right place and is easy to work with later. After double-checking your mappings, confirm your selections and start the import process. HubSpot will now begin uploading and organizing your data. This part might take a few moments depending on the size of your file, so be patient while the system processes everything. Finally, keep an eye on your screen for any notifications from HubSpot. These will let you know when the import process is complete. If there are any errors or issues, HubSpot will provide details so you can address them quickly. And that's it. You've successfully imported your CSV file into HubSpot. By following these steps, you've ensured your contact data is neatly organized and ready to use within the platform. If you have any questions about the process, feel free to drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your feedback or suggestions for future tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe